name is Daniela. I will show you Makeup's Mommy. Don't brush it up the eyes and the eyeliner of the my ears. And this one, like a beautiful brush on big and smaller piece on the smaller brush on the my eyes and the two brush small brush on this and two brushes from the eyes under my eyes, the two eyes. Under my foundation of the face on text and inside that and his eyes and on my brush. Nakita ko na to eh. Like eye makeup like I will show you Makeup's Mommy. And my hair powder of the my powder and the mascara and the light and sides of my hands set only at the toothbrush wall and the rail of the cheeks, the eyes, like this foundation at the cheeks, right on my lips, and on my lips, and the lipstick favorite mommy red lipstick and my lips and then like on her lipsticks and the pink of violet and red is like a beautiful lipstick. On eyelashes like on my eyes into eyes of the eyes on the light foundation like a 4 and 6 as far as like a ever. I'm finished. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.